if you want to create a bigger list of keywords than the one you have that you've created with the help of the carousel, then one thing that you can do is to use the search, the search feature, right? These are a set of keywords that Pinterest is showing, and then it's helping us find more content that we might be interested in. So we can take advantage of that feature to find more keywords that we can use to create better paints and to give more exposure to our boards and our account. So the way that we do it is, after you've typed in your main keyword on the search bar and you've gotten your search results, what you want to do is to scroll down until you find a little like menu that comes in different colors. Okay, and here it is, and it will say searches to try. So what you want to do is to go right outside of the first result. You don't want to go, to hover over the first result, because if you do that, then it will become a clickable item. If it becomes a clickable item, you won't be able to actually copy every single result. So what you want to do is to go outside of the result and then to hold Control plus left click. Right? You have to hold them. After that, you just drag them to the right and down. Okay, and then you stop holding them. Okay, now every single one of your results will be highlighted in blue. Once you've done that, you want to use the copy feature. Okay, so the way that you go about it is to hold Control and C. Okay, now you just click them and then you're done. Another thing that you can do to copy your results to your clipboard is to hover over the first result, or any result for that matter, and then right click, okay, with your mouse or your mouse pad. Now a menu will open, and here you just go down until you find the section that it says copy. That's Control and C. Okay, you just click on that one and then go back to Excel. Now on your Excel list, you just hold Control and then click B. Okay. Or another thing that you can do is to just right click and then paste, and that will paste every single one of your results. Now in this case, as you can see, we have backgrounds on every result. Just reset the background so you won't have it. You give it format basically, because to be honest, it's really hard to see and I don't like it. Now we have a new set of keywords that we can actually use, as I mentioned, to create better content, right? We have slow cooker recipes, food recipes, instant pots, instant recipes, etc. Okay, so that's how you use the searches to try feature to get bigger list of keywords. Again, if you have any questions, let me know.